Rob Frazier here. This video continuing on with my Leads Leap series. Social reviews. Yes, social reviews. Read social reviews. So going down the line, the only thing I'm doing here is just going down the line here so I can just explain everything. And again, I joined Leads Leap a long time ago and I was just like, okay, yeah. But again, the more I dig into it, the more I absolutely love the program. It's ingenious. This is just another way to get traffic from Leads Leap, outside of Leads Leap, and you can promote whatever other deal you're in, as long as it's not illegal or crazy or anything. But reading social reviews. One thing before I get into this, though, is every time I log in, and my sponsor is Edward Keat. You see his face down here. Let me see if I can make the screen bigger. All right, I can't do that. I'm gonna just make it smaller, but you can see his face here. What I do is when I'm actually working, I have a huge, like 49-inch screen that I look at, so I'm not staring at this little tiny laptop screen. Hey, when you get older, you need big screens. What can I say? So anyway, Edward Keat, he's my sponsor. Every time I log in, I see a video or a review that he has written on whatever. So every time you log in, you'll see featured social reviews. And what these are basically reviews that other Leads Leap members have written. Okay? So when you go onto the dashboard and you see find a business idea, products to promote, read social reviews. You will have a chance, when you join Leads Leap as a free member, you can write a review of any other affiliate marketing, network marketing, whatever it is you're doing. You can write a review on it, and that review will get shown to members, to Leads Leap members. It will be shown on the site here. You can see these social reviews. And I think when you upgrade as a paid member, which is only 27 bucks, there's no other upsells, which is absolutely amazing. It's only 27 bucks a month or free a month. And I think when you do pay the 27 bucks a month and you write a social review, your review will get placed up here more so than the free members. Obviously, it's incentivized, but again, 27 bucks a month is not bad at all compared to some of the other systems that are out there. So you can write a social review, and it has a little layout for you to write it, and I may cover that in a future video. It's real simple. It just asks you like 4 or 5 questions, and all you really have to do is go through, fill them in. By the time you're done, you have a review that will get shown on the site. When you sponsor people into Leads Leap, I brought in 100 people, your review will get shown to them. And even down here on the right, who do you see at the top? Edward. He's also your sponsor. He's also a pro member paying the $27 a month. But you don't have to. You can join for free and see how it all works. But every time I log in, even on the login screen, I get hit with his face. He's a good guy, but I'm just saying, I see his social reviews all the time. So if you're going to bring people into this, you can write up reviews and know that your reviews will get shown to your people. Not to mention, there's an external site here. When you go here and you actually click read social reviews, it'll take you to this site right here, and you can check out something. Say, for example, you see a program here, okay, multiple income funnel. I happen to promote that as well. But you can go over here, click on read reviews, and go here. You can do the same thing on YouTube, yes, but Leads Leap has their own place, and this site does get traffic from external members. So I'm going to just type in multiple income funnel, see what pops up. I will also share. Actually, it says no review found. I think I'm doing something wrong there. But Let's just go back here and just click on this review right here. It actually is there. I think because I put a space in there, it didn't come up. Again, it's a live video. I didn't check all the things. If I would have typed multipleincomefunnel.com, just the whole thing without any spaces, it would have popped up. Because obviously you can see reviews here. Now, one thing I will share is that they will put your link in a rotator. Say, for example, you're a member of Multiple Income Funnel and you joined leadsleap for free and you came over here and you wanted to, you joined Multiple Income Funnel, you wanted to write a review, you wrote a review and you put it on the leadsleap site. What leadsleap will do will take everyone who has written a review on Multiple Income Funnel, they'll take all of those links and put them on a rotator right here on the review site. I'm going to say that again because it sounded a little complicated, but it really wasn't. Me and you are members of Multiple Income Funnel, right? Me and you both write a review about Multiple Income Funnel and we drop it on leadsleap. What's going to happen is that review on the leadsleap site will get shown just like these other reviews you see on Hercules and Click Engine, and down here your reviews will get, your social reviews will get posted on a site and they'll get dropped on this, the social review side of the leadsleap site, right? Me and you have written those reviews. My Multiple Income Funnel link and your Multiple Income Funnel link will be right here on a rotator. Let me put my phone on silent. I don't know if you can hear it dinging in the background. Also, when you write the review, here on your review, right here or right here, it's going to be your link, right? But on the leadsleap review site, which is an external, it's like add-on, you'll also have your link here on the rotator. Also, this site gets traffic from external sources. And when I say external sources, I mean sources like Google. Some people link their YouTube to this site, which makes a lot of sense. Some people link their blog to this site, which makes a lot of sense, because there's so many different people adding content, adding different reviews, that the more people who add their reviews to this site, the more this site is going to get authority. What does that mean? Have you ever heard of Wikipedia? That site has other people writing its content, but that's like one of the highest. A lot of people know about Wikipedia. A lot of people go there to look up certain things because it has so many people writing content for it. It's the same. It works here the same way. So you have the opportunity to tap into external traffic sources by simply writing a review. On the leadsleap member area, you write a review. Obviously, that's going to be a link to your site. But leadsleap takes your content that you put as a social review, it'll dump it on the leadsleap social review site, and on there you'll get placed on a rotator with all of the other members who have written reviews. So you're getting you can tap into multiple traffic sources just by using the social reviews of this site. Hopefully you got the power in that. Hopefully I explained that clearly. But it doesn't have to be, it can be anything. Any program you join is going to have the same deal. And I'm going to just go back here and see about, because I put in a space there. Yep, see it comes up there, multipleincomefunnel.com, read reviews, and then there it is. So Derek, he wrote a review. Stephanie, she wrote a review. Brenda, she wrote a review. Ronald wrote a review. I'm not going to go on down the line. Sharing rotor review. And then when you come up here, you click on multiple income funnel. Let me see how much time I got. I like to get rambling on here. I'm already at 10 minutes. Okay, here, Honest Freedom. I don't know who, that's one of their sites. But I'm going to go back here, click on this again. Precious NS is the username there. So you can see it's a rotator. Let me click on this again. Burgess. I think that was R. Burgess. That was that guy's name. See? You see how it works? And so all of the people who wrote social reviews, all of their reviews get placed here. And these links right here, it's on a rotator. All of these guys, since they wrote a review, since they're bringing more traffic to leadsleap, they're also going to get their link on the rotator. So when people want to join multiple income funnel, it'll go to whatever person's name is on that list. Not to mention, here in the back office, when you write a review and someone clicks on it and checks it out, it's going to be linked to your link. So I think that's absolutely powerful. I, myself, have got to write a lot of these reviews myself because I'm in multiple programs, but you see how powerful that is? And you can see right here, to-do list, set up your top recommendations. It's a pro member only feature. I stand corrected. I thought as a free member you can write these reviews. As a pro member, it's $27 a month. You could say the $27 a month is going to traffic, which is really what it is. This is a traffic site. It's not just a traffic exchange, but it has a review site where you can type a review, get paid, people can click. Hopefully I beat that dead horse to death, I think. But this is the second video. And there's so much more. We're going to start talking about the marketing system in my next video. The list manager, which is basically I had some problems with Aweber. Aweber's given me some problems. I reluctantly decided to just use the leadsleap autoresponder, which is called SendSteed. And again, another thing that I'm fallen hopelessly in love with leadsleap, because the SendSteed autoresponder is like head and shoulders above all of the default autoresponders I have ever used. And in my opinion, it does compete with Aweber and GetResponse. So that'll be my next video. James Rob Frazier here. We'll talk to you in the next one. My leadsleap link will be below. I'll also have this in the playlist. I also have this in my Facebook group. I also have this in the training section. I also have this on my website. And also put a link to my BLC plan in the description, which is leadsleap is the first piece of it. So that being said, all of the information will be there. My name's Rob Frazier, taking this journey with you. We'll see you in the next one.